Hi dear soulmates, welcome back to Boss Fashion Corset Masterclass series. This is series 5. In this series 5, you are going to learn how to make half corset cup for your corset. And remember, in series 2, I've already teach you how to calculate bra cup for corset. So if you are just coming across this tutorial for the first time, make sure you go to series 2 and watch the tutorial there to understand how to calculate bra cup for corset. Now, the measurement we have in the series 2 is what we are going to be applying on our drafting now. The first thing, we are going to mark our border line. If you watch the series 3, series 4, you will understand this. And all the measurements we are using is in series 2, so make sure you watch it. And we are going to mark border line here as well, which is 1 inch, just to have a clear look of our cup. Now, our cup depth, that is different between bust and under bust measurement. The measurement is 4, but we advise you watch the series 2 or you watch the whole series if you really want to master this corset making. Make sure you watch the whole series. So here is it. Now for the lines on the upper part of our bust line, we are going to insert half water. That's the first thing. And to have our gauge properly, so we are going to measure the nipple to nipple by 2, which is 4. So, and also the other half, we are going to add 1 to it, so that will give you 5. So this depends on the measurement you are working with. That's why it is necessary you watch the series 2 for you to know how to calculate your bra cup. So second line above our bust line also, half water. And after this, the last line, which is the third line above bust line, you are going to divide the space you have here. So that's what you are going to mark here. The thing is very simple, especially this formula, this method of drafting pattern. So it's very simple, and it gives you total control on how to shape your corset, on how to shape your cup. The line under our bust line is 1 inch. We already write it down in the series 2. Series 1 is the reason. In series 1 we talk about main reason why our cup is not sitting properly, or why we have flat cup. That's what we treated in series 1. So now our upper dart, the upper dart is 1.5. We are going to connect it lightly because of how we are going to draft this. Our lower dart is 2. So here is it. If you master how to use your orb ruler, make sure you use it. So I'm going to connect this to this, and also this to this place. So here is it. Before we move on, let's extend this now. In series 4, I told you, or I show you the reason why this is necessary. You know, I didn't add it in series 4 just to show you the reason why you have to extend it down. So this is what we're going to have here. So at this junction, I want you to pay keen attention because this is where the thing is somehow different to our sweetheart corset cup and full corset cup. These are bust line, the second line, the first line above your bust line. You are going to observe this, so this way, and on this line you are going to repeat what you have. You are going to measure what you have here, starting from this place. Here we have 1 inch, so I'm going to move here. So this is where I'm going to have my 1 inch, you can see, and also I'm going to mark it here as well, my 1 inch. So it's just like transferring the space here to this upper side, and you are going to connect to here. I think you my student have to buy a marker now because our marker is not working properly. So I need my student to send marker. Yeah, this is a class, so this is it. And here now we are going to reconnect. We are going to reconnect. That's what we are going to have. And from here now, you are going to connect this to this. That's for the upper part. You connect it to this, and you connect here to here as well. So the upper layer, I want to make it 1/4. So 1/4 high. I told you this depends on what you want to achieve. So, but I'm going for 1/4 high. So here as well, I'm going to mark by 1/4, and I'm going to go in by the space we have here, which is 1/4 and we are going to connect it to this place, and we are going to repeat same here, 1/4, and go in by 1/8, then you connect here, and you're going to connect this to this, and we are going to connect this to this. This type of cup as well, you can also pad it, but when you get there in the future series, I'm going to show you how to pad your custom bra cup. Just make sure you subscribe to this channel. That's just the deal. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like. On this video, I need 5,000 likes. I need 5,000 likes. So if you know this thing is impactful, it won't cost you anything to give us that 5,000 like, and also share it with others. It doesn't cost you anything. So this is what we are going to have here. Just little dots there. Here as well. Our little dots. I told you to always label your pattern. This is center and down. This is down, and this is side. This one is center. This one is side. The shape are not the same because this one is shorter, this one is longer. So that's why you have to label it. So this is what we have. So this is what we are going to have. The next thing now, we are going to tape it together and see what it's going to give us. So I see the down now, that the thing is sitting properly on the floor or on the base. So we are going to tape this now together. I always tell you, if you want to watch, I always tell you if you want to learn corset making step by step, and I always tell you if you want to learn corset making step by step, make sure you watch my Boss Fashion Corset Making Masterclass series. At the end of the day, you will master your corset making. So this is what we have. We have little space here. I can easily trim this off. This is our pattern. This is what we are going to use to cut out your fabric or to cut out your cup. So here is it. You can see how standing it is as well, and you can see the shape inside. So I'm sure nobody have taught you this, but you have it on Boss Fashion YouTube channel for free. So your own part now is to subscribe to this channel, share this good news to others. See you in the next tutorial.